Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a two-parter collaboration style video, and the first part is going to be Simple Story Saturdays, where we scrapbook simple stories. And the simple stories that I'm going to be using is from the Scrap Room June collection, Flavor of the Month, and it is Summer Snapshots. And then this is also a collaboration with Spiegel Mom Scraps, where I am going to show you how to use sequins. And if you use Miranda 15 and the discount, you will get 15% off of your order. And the one that I am going to be using is called Shoreline. Now, I did decide to use my one of my sketches inside of my layout, and if you are interested in my sketches, they will be linked down below. It was a collaboration for the whole entire month of June. I am so glad that everybody went along. I was posting in my Instagram stories that posted with Facebook about all of the wonderful layouts. I am so grateful for the design team to take on my sketches, to be able to do and show how you can use my sketchbooks and be able to promote the sequence mix with Spiegel Mom Scraps, Jody over there, and I absolutely love it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to be able to collaborate. That was fun. I loved it, and I hope that if you have not purchased my my bundle or individual, depending on if you've gotten any of them or not, make sure that you go check out the website. The website will be linked down below. It will take you right to the shop, and you can get a different, if you've gotten all of them before, just get the one. If you haven't gotten any of them, the whole bundle is there, and then just slide it into the cart, get 20% off, and call it, and then start working with them. I love sketches. So this is one of my layouts that I was at the crop, and I am with Fran and Bree, and I am just cropping away. I have talked about this before in previous videos, but going to crops is amazing. So I bought the Cricut Extra, which is the Cricut Joy Extra. And the Cricut Joy is a small Cricut machine, but when they came out with the Cricut Extra, it's actually perfect for taking on crops because it's not as big as the Cricut or the Silhouette, but it's small enough but yet big enough to make it to where you can take it with and do what you, for the most part, would do if you had your big machine like the Cricut or the Silhouette. Now, the Cricut Joy Extra does 8.5 by 12. So you can do quite a bit with it. So these two circles that I actually did on my Cricut Joy, and it worked out wonderful. Fran did some circles on one of her layouts. Bree didn't ask for a cut file this time, but she saw how one of them worked, and it worked out perfect. So these two photos are of when I was at Ruby Falls, one of the many camping trips that I take. One photo is of my daughter Kaylin. The other photo is of my Asher Basher while we're on the hike up to and from Ruby Falls. I'm not sure if this was on the way up or on the way down. But those are what those photos are. I absolutely love how this collection worked out in my favor. So my title is going to be, I think it's Raised for Days. And, just sunrise, their smile, just, having the joy of your time and whatnot like that. So I am just going to start embellishing, kind of giving me little bit of vibes. I really loved how this collection came together with what I have wanted to do with my sketch from my volume 1 book. We all did, including myself, used up volume 1 sketches, and some of them took what was on. The one thing that my sketches have is they have a sketch and then they have an interpretation layout by ladies that are within the YouTube community that wanted to join in to help me put this layout, put this book together. I absolutely love doing that. So on my first 2 volumes, I have where ladies have come together and did that. And then the second volume has 8.5 by 11 layouts and a double page layout as well. Now, is this the part? Now, I think maybe this is the part. I'm wondering what I'm doing here. Oh, okay, I guess I'm back. So, this is the thing about going to crops. There are times that I forget to hit pause, and then as I'm doing voiceovers, because here I am on voice number 3. Yeah, voice number 3, that I'm like, I forgot to cut some of this out. So I'm sorry for like the dead space of you just staring at my layout. But I love going to crops too. It's filming at crops is so much fun because people come around you and be like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm filming. They're like, but how do you stay consistent and all? It's a lot of fun. I love to film. I love to do it anywhere. It's just something that makes me just feel I get a lot more done. I'll say that. I get a lot done when I'm at crops because it keeps me ahead of things. So like right now, I'm trying hard to make sure that I get all these voiceovers done so that I can start filming and staying ahead, because that would be great, right? I was doing really well in January and then I got sick. And then I kind of fell off again, and now I'm trying to get back on because school is going to start here quicker than I want it to, but I am absolutely loving my new school year and all of that stuff. I had summer PL this week for 2 days, and I just really enjoy, getting back, working on things and doing things and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I am going here. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to come in with my sequence mix right there. You guys know that my jewel picker is always in the description. I am also taking what I do all the time and I sprinkle them down, and wherever they land is where I pretty much put the glue. So this little bin has it's a 3-thing bin that I got from scrapbooking cards today, I think is what it's called, and it's got like 3 little sections together that I put all my things in. So like right there, you can kind of see me digging out of it. I put some of the sequence mix on there. So then here I am, I'm just coming in and I'm dotting up all of this. I make this quick and just kind of making sure that they're getting put down where I want to, and I just love to sprinkle sequence. Sequence is always one of those amazing things that you leave at the end of the thing, and it's like almost like splatters. I just love how it turns out. So make sure that you go check out everything down below. Check out everybody that's doing simple stories. Also check out my sketchbooks. I would love for you to purchase them. Remember, you get 20% off the minute that you slide them into the cart. Also make sure that you use my code on Spiegelmom Scraps with Miranda 15 to get 15% off. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe, do all of that fun stuff, because I would love to hear from you. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.